Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to get paid quickly, but traditional payment methods just weren't cutting it? Maybe you're selling something online, freelancing, or just splitting a bill with friends. In today's fast-paced digital world, there's a much simpler solution, Venmo. But how do you actually accept Venmo payments online? Let's dive in and find out. Context: Venmo has become a popular peer-to-peer payment app, making it easy to send and receive money between friends and family. But did you know that you can also use Venmo to accept payments for your business or services? It's a convenient and efficient way to get paid, especially if you're dealing with a lot of small transactions. Setting up your Venmo account for business. Create a business profile. The first step is to create a business profile on Venmo. This will help you differentiate your account from your personal one and make it easier for customers to find you. Verify your identity. To ensure the security of your transactions, you'll need to verify your identity by providing some personal information. This is a simple process that usually involves confirming your phone number and email address. Choose a business name. Select a catchy and memorable name for your business profile. This should be something that accurately reflects what you do. Accepting Venmo payments online. Generate a QR code. One of the easiest ways to accept Venmo payments online is to generate a QR code. You can do this through the Venmo app or by using a QR code generator. Once you have your QR code, you can display it on your website, social media profiles, or even in person. Share your Venmo handle. Another option is to share your Venmo handle with your customers. They can then search for you in the Venmo app and send you a payment directly. Use Venmo Checkout. If you're running an online store or selling products or services online, you can integrate Venmo Checkout into your website. This allows your customers to pay with Venmo directly on your checkout page. Send invoices. For larger transactions or recurring payments, you can send invoices to your customers through Venmo. This provides a clear record of the transaction and helps you keep track of your finances. Tips for accepting Venmo payments. Clear communication. Make sure your customers know that you accept Venmo payments. Include this information on your website, social media profiles, and any other relevant marketing materials. Provide instructions. If you're using a QR code or sharing your Venmo handle, provide clear instructions on how customers can send you a payment. Offer multiple payment options. While Venmo is a convenient option, it's always a good idea to offer multiple payment methods to accommodate different preferences. Security and privacy. Take steps to protect your customers' personal information and ensure the security of your Venmo transactions. Conclusion. Accepting Venmo payments online can be a simple and efficient way to get paid for your products or services. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can set up your Venmo account for business and start accepting payments today. With Venmo, you can streamline your transactions, improve your customer experience, and grow your business. So, what are you waiting for? Start accepting Venmo payments today and experience the convenience of digital transactions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.